Hey folks, Mike Brailsford here with Brailsford Woodworks. Today I'm going to try another hollow form. It's going to be a vase. Today I'm going to make it out of a piece of Leyland Cypress that I had cut down at my last house. It was actually my neighbor's tree that had blown over. He didn't have a chainsaw, so I cut it up. And I'll tell you what, I've turned some bowls out of this stuff, and it is some of the most beautiful wood I've ever seen. Very soft, but boy, it is very, very nice. So I'm going to try to turn a vase, and it is going to be turned so that I'm going to be working in through the end grain when I hollow it. So let's get going on this. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to drive my spur drive into one of the ends. One of my nice Bradford pear carving mallets. This thing can take a lot of abuse. So one of the beauties about doing it this way is I can actually use my spindle roughing gouge to get this thing roughed out, which is what I'm going to use. You inevitably see pictures on Facebook or something on some of the turning groups where somebody has used a spindle roughing gouge for roughing out a bowl, and this is the only metal you got right here to withstand all of that force of that end grain coming around and slamming down on the end of this bit of this chisel. And yeah, it can't take it. These are not to be used for bowls when you're turning across end grain. One of the ways you can find out if you've got a spindle round yet is just put it on, just rest your gouge on top, and if it bounces, then no, it's not round yet. Yeah, let's see, I still got a little bit of bark here. Gotta go down a little bit more to get this thing fully round. I think I might start working towards curving the bottom in here, because I'm going to put a 10 in over here for grabbing. Kind of a teardrop shape like this, going up to a top to a small opening. I don't know if I'm going to have a flared neck or not yet, but let me see what I can do there. So when I'm cutting with it like this, and I'm using the bottom edge of the gouge, the bowl gouge, to do the cutting, that's called a shearing cut. So at first I was thinking about making a flared neck here, but I think I'm going to take it down to just a top, a rounded top. So I'm going to take this down with the roughing gouge and then just keep working on turning this in, and then I'll get it turned around and put in the chuck. Okay, so I'm on 400. Then we'll get this baby turned around. Oh yeah. Yep, baby's bottoms aren't even that smooth. Let's see about turning this around. I have to put on the change the jaws again. Let me get this done. I'll come back. I got 400 here on the bottom, and that'll wrap it up. Do a little bit of Yorkshire grit on the bottom and some wax, and this piece is done. Okay. All right. This, yeah, like I said, the grain in this wood is absolutely beautiful. It really is. It's soft, but man, it is pretty. And it finishes just silky smooth. So that's that one. So I have one more piece of the Leyland Cypress like this, and I think I might try to do a companion piece to this. This one is, you know, a regular teardrop shape, And I think I might do the other one more of a inverted teardrop, vase. Again, no lip, but flared at, wide at the top, flaring down to the bottom, narrowing down to the bottom. But I think they'll be a nice complement to each other. So I'm going to try to do that one tomorrow. So again, as always, thank you for watching. If you like any of the pieces that I make, please go to brailsfordww.com. That's my website. Check them out, see what you think. Please leave a comment. I'd love to hear from you. And as always, thank you so much for watching. You all have a good weekend.